Hi, everyone. So whenever we go for learning deep learning or we go for doing some practicals in deep learning, what we need is theano, tensorflow, and keras. So far the Python is concerned, right? But when we go for installing this theano, tensorflow, and keras, sometimes you'll get an error like could not find version that satisfies the requirement of tensorflow. So here I will show you that what type of error you will get and how to tackle those errors, how to deal with those errors. Well, so you are with Dr. Dibbas Dibora. Let's start the class. So first of all, you have to go to your Anaconda here, and you can see here Anaconda PowerShell prompt. You just click that. Okay, so I already did that. So I have to show you that what type of error I have gone through so that you will get to know that how to deal with such errors. First of all, don't put this dollar mark here. Okay. Otherwise, it is okay because this is the current version is, the upgraded version. Now you just type pip, PIP. Then you will get to know about different commands that available through options with respect to this pip command, like install, download, uninstall. These are the different commands. Like similarly, options like h, debug, isolated, v. So there are different. Suppose you want to know the version, then this is the option. Okay. Now after this after this, first you type this pip install theano. I know that this will be easily installed. Okay, you will find no problem with that. But when you go for installing this TensorFlow, suppose you type this pip install tenpo, because see, I hope you can see clearly that my look at my actually mouse cursor here. Let me show you this pip install theano. So I already installed it without any problem. So this one theano, and it is easily installed. You'll face no problem. The problem is with respect to this, that is TensorFlow. Pip install TensorFlow. So what you will see that could not find a version that satisfies the requirement of TensorFlow. No matching distribution found for TensorFlow. This is the common problem that everybody, actually maximum of people working in this area found. Okay, gone through. So let's try to deal with this error. Let me clear this. Okay. Now, for that, first of all, what you have to do, you type this version. Sudo pip install TensorFlow upgrade. See? Here also, then because this thing you will find somewhere that this command you have to type to deal with this error. Again, when you type this, then this is again a problem that sudo is not recognized. Well, no problem. Then you type, means you directly come to this one. Okay, I have gone through these different options to deal with this error. So from my own experience, I'm telling it to you. Well, now you don't need to type this, okay? Because somewhere, means in different site, you will find this that you need to type this. So it is not going to work. Now you type this one, pip install option, upgrade pip, right? Do this. Then it is okay. Your pip version will be upgraded. Okay? Now, again, at the below, you will see that to modify pip, please run the following command, python.exe -m pip install upgrade pip. You just copy this command and run it. You type this python.exe, you can directly copy and run python exe -m pip install upgrade pip, because this is the latest version with which you can upgrade this pip. Okay, the commands that are showing in different site, they are the older version. Now you have to type this one. Now successfully uninstalled the older version and successfully installed the current version. And current version of pip here is 23.2. Okay, now it is okay. We can go for the TensorFlow, because initially it was shown that the requirement of TensorFlow is not fulfilled with this current version of it. So we have upgraded the pip. Now we go for install. Just you type the same thing, pip install TensorFlow. It will take few time. It will take some time because it needs to be downloaded. So some files will be downloaded. So it takes time. Now, whenever it will be successfully installed, you will see these things. You see how many files being downloaded and installed. So collecting this will take time. I already told you. So after this, you will find that TensorFlow successfully installed. So you will successfully install this. So now our TensorFlow is being installed successfully. So there is no problem at all. Now, after that, you go for pip install keras. This is already satisfied. This is already there. Well, so you have seen, guys, that how we have deal with this error. I have shown you that all the possible errors that you might face while going for installing this TensorFlow and keras for the first time. Theano, you may not face any such problem, but this for at least for TensorFlow, you will face this problem. And now you understood that what we have done to deal with this error. First, we have upgraded the pip version, and then after that, we can directly install TensorFlow with this pip install command. And for the keras, there is no problem with that. So I think that this class will be helpful for everyone who is struggling with these errors. So let me know if anything else you would like to know. Well, from the next session, we will directly deal with the deep learning classes. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.